In eformsign, there are two ways you can create and send documents for signatures: using the New from My File feature and using the New from Template feature. This video explains how to create and send documents for signatures using the New from My File feature. For instructions on how to use the New from Template feature, watch the video, How to Create and Send Documents for Signatures, New from Template. To create and send a document, first log into your eformsign account. Then drag and drop a file in the dashboard or click New from My File in the sidebar to upload a file. You can also select a file in the Recent Documents list in the Upload File pop-up. After uploading or selecting a file, add signers who can fill in the document and specify their roles. After adding signers, the Design Form step will be displayed. In the Design Form step, you can add fields such as text, signature, and date. You can add fields by dragging and dropping the types of fields available on the left and placing the field in the location you want on the form. You can also rename the field ID and choose who is allowed and/or required to fill out this field by navigating to the Properties menu on the right. If you want to add fields for another signer, click on the drop-down menu under Add New Signer on the top left corner to switch to another signer and add fields. You can see that the fields for the signer are in a different color. After adding all the fields you want for all the signers, click Preview to check that all fields are added properly. Then, click Add Recipients at the top of the screen to proceed to the Add Recipient step. In this step, you can add recipients, enter their contact information, and set advanced options for each recipient. Note that the workflow is automatically generated based on the signers added. To add a recipient, select a recipient step in the workflow and enter the name. Then check the email checkbox to send by email or check the SMS checkbox to send by SMS. Checking both will send the document via both methods. Note that additional charges apply for documents sent via SMS per send. Refer to the eformsign pricing page for details. Then, enter the email address and/or mobile number of the recipient. You can also edit the workflow by adding more signers, reviewers, and need to views. Each one has different abilities. Signers can fill in fields and sign signatures. Reviewers can only approve or reject documents, and need to views can only view documents. You can also add CCs. Only members and groups can be added as CCs, and they can only view documents. You can also set advanced options for each recipient under Recipient Options on the right, such as Identity Verification, Document Expiration, and Notification Message. Once you have finished adding recipients, click on Options at the top bar to proceed to the next step. You can change the document title and add a timestamp to the document. Note that additional charges apply per timestamp. Refer to the eformsign pricing page for details. You can also save the document by clicking the Save button at the top right corner and continue working on it later. The document will be saved in the My Saved Documents inbox. Once you are ready to create and send a document, click the Start Now button. Note that when you click the Start Now button, it will count as one document created in eformsign. The document will be displayed. Fill in the fields and then click the Send button to send it to recipients. If you click the Save as Draft button before clicking Send, the document will be saved in the Action Required inbox. Once your document is sent, you can track the document signing status by navigating to the In Progress inbox. Once your document is signed and completed, a copy of the finished document will be automatically sent to you via email and/or SMS. You can also view the completed document in the completed inbox.